Welcome to Lesson 3 of the Take Care Utah database tutorial series. Today we are going to give an overview of the client profile. So at your Service Point home screen, you'll want to click on Client Point and then you'll want to search for the client that we want to edit. I will search for Jack Wynn. Once I find him down here, we'll click on it and then we'll get to the client profile. There are many different things that you can do here at the client profile, and this will be your primary source of entering information about the client. The first thing you want to do is enter their basic demographic information. For example, right here, we'll want to enter their telephone number. You'll want to also enter their address, and their primary language spoken. It's important that you enter in all of this information because other people might search for these clients as well, and this information will be helpful to them. You'll also want to enter in household information, specifically their household size, their household income, very wealthy. If they have a Medicaid case number, then you'll want to put their Medicaid case number here as well. Finally, you'll want to enter in how did they hear about this. This is a required question, and it's very important because we use this information to make our outreach events more impactful. Finally, in the notes section, you can write any kind of notes about the client that might be useful to you. Here you have the two different assessments. One is for if they completed a health insurance marketplace application, and the other one is if they've completed a Medicaid and CHIP application. We'll get to those in a different tutorial. And then finally at the end we have coverage to care questions, which are also very important but will be covered in a different tutorial. And this wraps up the client information. You'll always want to save or save and exit so that the information is saved. And here when we do this, it's strongly recommended that we provide an answer for one of the questions. So it's asking if we set a coverage to care follow-up reminder, which in normal circumstances we would, but we'll get to that also in a different tutorial.